Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To download Netflix, click on Play Store. In case we are on iPhone, click on the App Store. We click on the top. Then type Netflix. Now click on the search icon. Then, we choose this one that says, Netflix, Inc. Now, click on Install. We wait for the download to finish. It will install automatically. The time depends on the speed of our internet. At the end, the Open button will appear. Here we can enter the application. But also, we can see that there is a shortcut button that has been created automatically in our cell phone. We can enter by clicking on this icon. There, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.